selection, it was a huge achievement for us to progress through to another semi-final, and for us it was definitely one of our goals at the start of the season to at least meet both semi-finals. So whilst we're still buzzing on the high of last week, we knew very quickly we needed to move on to today's game, so to be able to get the win. Obviously we would have liked to have got it in the 90 minutes, that wasn't possible, but to do it on penalties, it gives us that boost now going forwards that if we were to face that again, then we're prepared.
They're brilliant, and like you saw when you came here last time, you know, they'll push right to the very end. They'll never give up. They've always got that attitude of we'll fight to the very end, and they've shown that again today. You know, we brought 2 subs on who I thought were excellent when they came on, showed great energy, great pace, and yeah, we've got ourselves into the game. And just, you know, penalties is a horrible way to lose a game of football, but pot luck sometimes. And yeah, we're just really proud of the performance in the second half today. Really good from us.
It was a very tough game out there today. They come back fighting every time we went ahead. But it's always a challenging game when we come here against Britain Ferry, which is a credit to them.
Really good debut. I'm really pleased how the girls got on. Happy with my performance. You know, it's hard going. But yeah, we did what we could. We dug deep. Penalties, they go either way. You got to take that on the chin. But the girls dug deep. It was hard, 90 minutes. But yeah, got to take what we can from it.
Giciau smotyn, ti'n bod, anodd ydyn nhw, fatha, dwi teimlo fatha 50-50 ydi o. Falla ddim cryfder fi chwaith y keeper bach yn gol, ond ie, safio dau, dod sydd lwr canol, obviously di edrych ar y players a gwybod vaguely lle oedden nhw am mynd, a ie, llwyddiannus.
I'm so proud of every single one, the girls and the staff and the club. The backing from the club that we're having this season is unbelievable, and you can really see it paying off on the pitch and how well we are doing this season. We never thought we'd be there up top competing against the top teams, and picking up our first silverware so early on in the season as well. It's just an unbelievable feeling.